I asked everyone's favourite dentist, Dr. Tristan, what his favourite food was, and he said it has to be chicken rice. I know you should always use a soft toothbrush, but today we are going hard. First, we're gonna boil some onions, garlic, salt, and a whole chicken for 2 hours and then leave it in the pot overnight. But Eldrick, I hear you ask, wouldn't that make the chicken too soft? Yes, but we don't really care, since that is just the side chick. We then come back to our main chick and do main chick stuff. Give her a pedicure, a body scrub, a shower, spread her legs, stuff her full, and put her to sleep. Then we render down some chicken fat from some chicken thigh skin, blend our chili sauce and combine them together. Chili sauce done. Moving on, we're gonna heat up some sesame oil and add that into some minced ginger and finely chopped spring onions. This will bubble up like your insecurity when you're trying to fall asleep at night, so be careful. Add some salt to it and this becomes dangerously good. Moving on to what many consider to be the best part, the rice. Render down some fat that you trimmed from your chickens earlier, add minced garlic, shallots and ginger to it and fry them till fragrant. Add raw, washed white jasmine rice and make sure every grain is coated in that delicious oil. Transfer everything into the rice cooker, top up with your very own chicken broth, add a knot of pandan leaves, some salt if you want, and press on. Lastly, bring your chicken broth up to a boil and carefully lower your room temperature main chick in. Lather on the broth so that the skin firms up, bring the pot up to a boil, put the lid on, turn off the heat and let it cook for 1 hour. We want the internal temperature to be somewhere around 71.4 degrees Celsius. Oh wow, look at that, how coincidental. Then we're gonna dunk the chicken into an ice bath. What does this do, you ask? I think I'll let the comment section answer that. Cover up our chicken, fix ourselves a nice plate, and then we are done. This makes me worried that I might have kids that I don't know about, because this is good enough to be a grandfather's recipe. Everything is made to be flavorful enough on its own, but when you combine them, freaking bazinga. Thank you Dr. Tristan for being a part of this new series where I cook favourite foods, and thank you for watching.